When you start a fat loss journey and you're like really excited to tell everyone that, hey, you know what, I signed up with this coach, I started this program. Don't do that. Hi, I'm Mavra Ishaq. I am not an influencer. I'm just here to share information and my experiences so you can choose what's best for you. Number one reason, everyone with a mouth has an opinion. So the moment you tell someone, you will hear way too many advice. Way too many advice.
अभी और सुनिए.
There is already a lot of misinformation on the internet. There's a lot of pseudoscience, there's a lot of bro science, and there's a lot of bullshit. On top of that, your chacha ki beti is now going to come and tell you that you should have lemon and honey water. Oh no, that's old school. What is the new thing? Kale salad? No. What is the newer thing? Apple cider vinegar. So anyway, whatever it is, they will start giving you a lot of unsolicited advice. It's just going to confuse you. It will make you question whether you're doing the right thing or not, whether your plan is right or not. If you don't want that, just don't talk about it. The second reason why you shouldn't talk about your fat loss journey is that when you tell people that you've started a transformation program, it puts you under a lot of external pressure. It's like various sets of eyes would always be on you. So the next time you're in a social setting, right, you'll think twice about making the food choices. So maybe you have to go to a family function or a friend's birthday, right? So you've probably not eaten anything for 2 days because, oh, you know what, you told these people that you're going to lose weight and now they need to see some evidence of that, right? So you want to fit into that crop top or that bodycon dress and you need to look a little thinner. When you're at that setting, you cannot reach for the samosas, you cannot reach for the biryani, because the moment you do, someone will magically appear from somewhere and be like, weren't you on a diet? You're forced to make these food choices. Here's what's going to happen. You've not eaten there, you're hungry as fuck, going to buy food on the way, or you'll order on the app, so it will be there by the time you reach home. And then you're going to take off that bodycon and crop top, and you're going to wear your big girl pants, and then you're going to eat in secret. Has happened to me way too many times. And the added pressure also means that you're constantly under this pressure to show people, whether you may not admit to yourself, but you're in this pressure to show people that you've lost weight, which means that you would want to get there quickly so that the people can see this change in you. And with getting there quickly means cutting corners, taking shortcuts, and all of us know how that pan out eventually, right? So why need that extra pressure? So let's not talk about it. Number third, dude, here's the thing. I am a huge believer in energy, and someone's energy can absolutely throw you off your game. I believe that you may not, which is fine, but here's also the thing. The human nature is very envious. We are jealous of other people, we are jealous of other people's success. We want to see everyone do good, but not better than us. And most of the people that you know are also trying to get fit or also trying to lose weight. I mean, do a count, right? Five of your closest people, and how many of them are trying to either lose weight or gain weight or build a body to look a certain way? My guess is that's going to be at least 3 out of 5. So there is this unspoken competition that you may not even be aware of, and which is just going to throw you off your game, whether it's through something they say or just the energy that I spoke of. But it's best to not tell people about your journey. Just stay silent, do your thing, and when the changes start showing, people would start noticing. Also, people noticing, people validating, people appreciating, and giving you attention should not be your primary concern. I know we are human beings, we are social creatures, we thrive on external influences and validation and appreciation. I get all of that, but that could not be your sole and only reason.